Wait. 2026 na ba ang year na makakapag-cruise ka? Pwede, dahil good news, Costa Serena has just added another route. So, mas marami na tayong options para ma-experience mag-cruise mula dito sa Manila straight to Japan and Taiwan. No visa needed pa rin and no need to book international flights pa rin. Ito yung details ng Route 4. So, March 19 to 26 ito, 8 days, 7 nights. So, from Manila, magsisail to Naha sa Okinawa, Japan, tapos Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Ito yung Route 4 ha. Siyempre, available pa rin yung Route 1, February 25 to March 3, 2026 naman yan. Yung Route 2 naman, Taiwan and Japan din, pero iba yung stops. March 3 to 9 naman ito, 7 days, 6 nights din. Pero itong Route 3, 11 days and 10 nights naman ito, March 9 to 19. Pero magkano ba? Ang pinakamura na room ay interior cabin. And most cabins can accommodate up to 4 guests. Focus muna tayo sa Route 4 kasi yun yung bago and yun yung may promo ngayon. Yung promo niya is 50% off sa third guest and free na yung fourth guest. So ibig sabihin, yung first 2 guests ay full fare ang babayaran, 988 USD siya per pax. Pero kung tatlo kayo, yung third guest ay 50% off. So 494 USD na lang yon. Tapos yung fourth guest, free na yon. So yung cruise fare, free na sa kanya. So yung cost ng buong cabin is 2,470 USD divided by 4, 617.50 USD na lang siya per person. That's only 36,123 pesos per person based on the exchange rate as of this recording. Hindi na masama kasi ang haba nun na more than a week and kasama na sa binayaran mo yung accommodations mo sa barko, lahat ng meals mo on board, breakfast, lunch, dinner for 8 days, unlimited pa yan. Kasama na rin yung access mo to most amenities ng barko like swimming pools, yung mga daily activities, nightly shows sa theater and mga parties. May 30 kilo na baggage allowance na rin yan and travel insurance for up to 75 years old na guest. And yung best part, nakarating ka pa ng Taiwan and Japan. And yes, pwede kang bumaba and mag-explore kahit wala kang visa. Pwede mong i-DIY. Pero if mag-book ka ng tour, add-on na yon. To book, contact Avian Summit Travel Corporation. Isa sila sa mga top travel agencies na part ng Choose Premium Network. Na-check na namin na legit sila and pwede nyo silang i-DM dito sa Facebook, IG, or kahit TikTok. Pwede rin sa email, text, or call. Yung published rates ay cruise fare lang ha. Hindi kasama dyan yung port charges, gratuities, and travel taxes. Mas hihimayin natin ang total na magagastos kasama lahat ng yan sa next video natin. So, don't forget to follow!